I have a pile of laundry sitting right here. Oh, laundry! It's going to be the death of me. All right, I'm just logging on tonight to let folks know. I do have a video that was recorded for the vlog for this evening. I haven't had a chance to edit it this evening, and you can kind of tell maybe I'm being a little bit quiet with my voice right now because most people are in bed at our house. It's not quite midnight yet, so I haven't missed the deadline for my vlog for today. But I did get sidetracked with a bunch of different family issues tonight. I had to be dad tonight, So and being dad, that always comes first before the vlog, and so I was being dad and trying to do my best with that. And so I thought I would just hop on and let folks know that this is going to be the vlog for today. I do have an interesting story of a AI kind of gone haywire, or not maybe haywire, maybe awry is a better word, that I will be sharing tomorrow for the vlog, and hopefully it'll be a good tale. So we'll tell that one tomorrow, but for tonight I just wanted to hop on and let folks know that I'm here and I got my vlog in for today, but it's another quick one, folks. But hey, don't worry, I will see you again tomorrow.